And millions of websites are powered by WordPress. To be precise, currently 40% of all websites on the internet use WordPress. In this video, I'm going to be showing you why you should create your store or blog or business website using WordPress. I will be for sure answering some of your questions about this amazing and most easiest content management system. I'm going to be covering following questions. What is WordPress? Why WordPress? WordPress features, user statistics, who uses WordPress, WordPress.com versus WordPress.org, how do I start using WordPress, what is a WordPress plugin, what is a WordPress theme. To support my channel, consider subscribing and like this video. My name is Hassan, stay to the end. Thank you. WordPress is an online open source website creation tool written in PHP, but simply speaking, it's probably the easiest and most powerful blogging and website content management system (CMS) in existence today. A WordPress website is any website that uses WordPress as its content management. WordPress powers both the backend of the website, the interface where a user logs in to make changes or add new content, and the front end, the visible part of the website that your visitors see on the web. Here are a few examples of the type of websites you can build with WordPress. A blog is a special type of website devoted to sharing thoughts, photos, reviews, tutorials, recipes, and so much more. Blogs usually display the most recently published content first. An e-commerce website allows you to sell goods or services online and collect payment via an online payment system such as PayPal or credit cards. You can download and install the WordPress e-commerce plugin WooCommerce to extend the default functionality of WordPress so you can have an online store on your website. Many businesses will benefit from having an online presence in the form of their own websites. If your business needs a website for customers to learn about your company and what you have to offer, WordPress is an excellent option. Customers can contact you, ask for a quote, schedule an appointment, and much more. A member website allows you to put content behind a paywall or an account login. To access pages or posts, users must log in or pay for the content. WordPress can also handle membership websites with additional plugins such as MemberPress. A portfolio site is an extension of a freelancer or company's resume. It provides a convenient way for potential clients to view your work while also allowing you to expand on your skills and services. The ultimate purpose of a portfolio is to provide a way for you to land more clients, with here that means freelancer work, more clients for your agency or employment at a company. An event website is practically a cost-free digital advertisement for the event you are organizing, but even though it's relatively easy to create a page, you want to make sure attendees are prepared with the details. WordPress makes it easy for you to share your event details and maybe sell tickets. An internet forum or messages board is an online discussion site where people can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. A forum can be a helpful place for users to ask questions or share advice. Believe it or not, many forum websites ran on WordPress. With the e-learning website, students can take online courses, track their progress, download resources, and much more from an e-learning website. With a special kind of plugin called the WordPress LMS plugin, you can offer online courses from a WordPress website. A wedding website is a website that engaged couples use to aid in planning and communication for their wedding. It's used to communicate with guests of their wedding and inform them of location, date, time, and a gift registry. Share the details of your big day with a wedding website built on WordPress. With an array of WordPress wedding themes, you can get a website up quickly and easily. Why WordPress? Simplicity. WordPress allows you to publish and build your website content quickly. Even as a beginner, you can easily use WordPress. If you can use word processing software like Microsoft Word, you can use WordPress to build and manage a website. The cost is free. The actual WordPress software available on WordPress.org is free to download and use. You will, however, need to pay for web hosting and a domain name. WordPress is flexible. WordPress allows you to create many types of websites, from personal blogs and online stores to online magazines and newspapers. No need to know code. WordPress removes the requirement of needing to know how to code in order to build a website. While WordPress utilizes a variety of code languages, there is no need to know any of them to use WordPress. The core WordPress software can be extended with WordPress plugins. WordPress plugins are a bit of software that you can upload to your website to add more features, such as e-commerce, SEO, backups, contact forms, and more. There are thousands of free WordPress plugins available on WordPress.org plugin directory and a thriving premium paid plugins industry. Highly customizable with WordPress themes. WordPress themes provide the design and layout of your website. With a click of a button, you can change the entire look of your website by applying a new WordPress theme. More advanced WordPress themes are more like WordPress page builders, giving you even more control of your layouts. Website security. While no website platform is 100% secure, WordPress security continues to improve with a vigilant security team of core developers and users. Common WordPress security issues are usually due to user error rather than the software itself. While there are a load of free plugins and themes, most serious WordPress websites owners invest in premium, paid plugins or themes. Why? Your purchase of a reputable premium plugin or theme helps pay for the ongoing development and support of the plugin or theme, including new features, security patches, and more. SEO search engine optimization begins at a technical level, and WordPress delivers an exceptional code base for SEO. SEO allows your website's content to be found via common search engines such as Google and Bing. One of the most powerful SEO plugins with a lot of free features is Yoast. It helps you adding key phrases, SEO titles, meta descriptions, and more. Regarding speed, WordPress is a lean website framework that is constantly striving to remove code bloat that slows the loading speed of a website. Most WordPress themes are now mobile friendly or responsive out of the box, so websites can be browsed on any kind of devices: mobile phones, desktops, tablets, tablet landscapes. WordPress includes a built-in media library where you can upload and embed media files such as images or videos into your pages or posts. You can even perform basic edits to your images within WordPress. According to user statistics of content management systems now report that WordPress powers over 75 million websites, or 41% of all websites on the internet, and over 65% of all websites whose content management systems are known. Many famous companies use WordPress such as MTV, PlayStation, Spotify, BBC America, USA Today Network, CNN, CBS, and is only to name a few. If you are just getting started with WordPress, there are a few important things to know. First up, you will need to know the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. The difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org can be a little confusing if you are new to using WordPress. WordPress.com is the hosted version of WordPress, where you can create a WordPress.com account to make a blog or website. By default, your website's URL or domain will include the word WordPress, like myblog.wordpress.com. Paid upgrades include a custom domain, Google Analytics integration, more storage space, the ability to add your own plugins and themes, and more. WordPress.com is owned by Automattic, a company founded by one of the original WordPress creators. WordPress.org is where you can download the WordPress software to install on your own server or web hosting account. The WordPress software is open source, so it's free to download and use. To use the WordPress.org version of WordPress, you will need to have a domain name and web hosting purchased from another reputable company. Most web hosts offer a WordPress quick install or done for you installations of WordPress to help you get started if you don't want to install WordPress yourself. WordPress.org is the non-profit foundation of Automattic. Now you are probably asking, how do I start WordPress? Again, WordPress is a free, yes, it's 100% free. You can get started today with a WordPress website in just a few steps. You would just need a few things to get started with WordPress: quality web hosting, a domain name, the WordPress software installed on your website. Most web hosts will handle this for you. If you would rather use the hosted version of WordPress available on WordPress.com, you will simply need to create a WordPress account to get started. I recommend SiteGround to everyone. SiteGround is a web hosting company that offers high quality hosting. I myself use SiteGround and am very satisfied with it. You can choose between different products that are perfectly adapted to your needs. The best thing about it is the affordability and the service and the ease of use. Everything is located in the site tools of each domain that you have. There you can make all the settings easily and comfortably. SiteGround offers, among other things, for each domain that you register or transfer, a permanent free SSL certificate. Besides, the following options are already included in the cheapest plan: 10 gigabit web space, free WordPress installation, free WordPress migration, daily backup, free CDN, free email, and much more. If you are looking for a big deal, click on the link in the description and get 70% discount on your hosting at SiteGround. I recommend everyone to start with Grow Big because the price-quality ratio is the best. There are a ton of other very good hosting providers out there, but the only one right now that offers a lot of included services in addition to 24/7 professional support is SiteGround. A WordPress theme is a tool to change the layout and design of your website. Themes customize the appearance of your website, including the layout, typography, color, and other design elements. When you first create a WordPress site, it will come with a default theme installed. You can change the theme in WordPress to match your needs and industry. Choosing the right theme can make your websites more attractive, easier to use, and improve visitors' engagement. There is a lot of themes to choose from. I recommend the Themify theme. Themify themes come with Themify Builder. Themify Builder is the most powerful and intuitive page designer and builder for WordPress. Design any layout imaginable. Simply select, drag and drop, and watch your beautiful site come to life in front of your eyes with live preview and without a single line of code. I have partnered with Themify, so I may share some themes with my followers. Visit my blog at eltadrar.com, go to downloads, there you can find the two most powerful themes from Themify. Just download them for free and use them. If you need updates, you can opt for a membership with Themify. Use the coupon code ELTADRAR to get a 30% discount. At Themify, you can choose between 3 memberships. Single theme, choose from 42 themes for $59 and 1 year update and support, or you can opt for a Master Club membership and get 42 themes, 11 plugins, 25 builder add-ons for only $89 and 1 year update and support. You can also choose lifetime club membership, 42 themes, 11 plugins, 25 builders add-ons, all for $249 lifetime support and updates. A plugin is a piece of software containing a group of functions that can be added to a WordPress website. They can extend functionality or add new features to your website. WordPress plugins are written in PHP. Plugins can be added via the plugin menu in your WordPress dashboard. Using the built-in search function, you can find a free plugin available on the WordPress.org plugin directory. Plugins can also be packaged as zip files that you can upload through the plugins menu uploader in your WordPress dashboard. Now the question which you will maybe ask as a beginner is, which plugin do I need? The answer depends on your needs and industry. If you want to create a website to sell goods and services, you will need the plugin WooCommerce, which allows you to add products or services and payment systems to your website. If you own a business such as a hotel or restaurant, you will need a booking plugin, for example. But there are some essential plugins which every website needs, such as contact form plugin to let your visitors contact you, a backup plugin to back up and restore your site, WP Mail SMTP, which allows your site to automatically send emails, Yoast SEO, which allows your site to be found on search engines such as Google and Bing. Click on the link in the description. It is about a post on my blog about a list of useful plugins in 2021. Now what's next? After this video about WordPress, I will be creating very basic videos on how to create a website. In my next video, I will be teaching you how to install WordPress and how to add a plugin and how to make some basic settings. Please consider subscribing and like this video to support me creating more content like this. See you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.